Okay, I have a bonus question. What's your favorite part of the Fairhaven program?
Just one thing. I think the fact that every single person, like student and teacher, really wants to be here and really enjoys what they do here every day.
Bonus question. What's your favorite part of the Fairhaven program?
My favorite part of the Fairhaven program, I think it's the specialization. Getting a more personalized experience.
What's your favorite part of the Fairhaven program?
My favorite part is that even some of the classes that I usually don't like are still fun in some ways. Like math is really not my strong suit at all in any capacity, but we like struggle together, we make it through together, and we learn, and it's fun even.
What's your favorite part of Fairhaven?
My favorite part in Fairhaven is playing games and like our inside jokes.
What's your favorite part of the Fairhaven program?
I like the freedom and the more chances that the Fairhaven program gives us compared to the intermediate program. It's pretty cool.
What's your favorite part of Fairhaven?
My favorite part of Fairhaven has to be going on trips and getting to travel and see the world.
What's your favorite part of Fairhaven?
My favorite part of Fairhaven, aside from the microwave, is definitely the group that we have now. I think it's gonna keep growing and also like shrinking. Goodbye, Max and Sophia. But I think that the group of personalities and the people we have right now is just gonna be great as like a foundation for Fairhaven. We can keep adding people and